go, you go.
I like her.
Not her. I was just pointing at Autumn for some reason.
Don't have a heart attack now, Grandpa.
Oh my god.
No, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Woo! Wait, what the heck is that? Ziggler?
Is it over?
Oh, well, it's
Aw.
very short. Whoa. Ooh, sparkly.
I don't want to make shakes.
And this is expensive for us.
I don't care.
I know, I didn't say that too. I did get
They can afford to buy
Yeah, at
one
least
of them.
one. Come on, at least one.
They got fireworks that make Canadian steak.
I know, that is so cool.
That is big.
They have one like in Toronto, Vancouver already.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It would be so cool since grass started on fire in front of us and we can get away in time.
What the wow, that'd be cool.
What the hell's that?
Caleb's.
There goes your bag of trees. You're littering and you're a cop.
Oh my.
You gotta rest yourself.
It wants to run. Get out of my pocket.
Woo! Ah! Yee! Ooh! Purple! Ow! Bunny! Ooh, yellow! Silver. Gold. Dog. And that is purple. Yeah.
Aw, Justin Bieber colors.
Oh no, I just did Bieber. Like,
Brian does.
That's a dark
yeah. I don't like his face.
Oh, there's a big dog again.
I was just like, I don't like his face. Looks nice.
Oh, another purple.
Whoa!
You should have that game.
Okay. Sims? No. No. That was in the library.
Yeah.
Holy crap, that's huge. Like Brian.
I don't think anybody ever gets it out.
Oh, I like the story first.
Get that again.
We gotta play that hold first, and I will. Ooh, hee-ha, hee-hoo-ha. Oh, it's so small. What was that? It's pathetic. Oh, you're right.
I think Brian has to hand this back soon, don't you, Brian?
Dragon Ball Z. Oh, I
Whoa.
almost missed that one.
You almost did?
Yeah.
Oh, I love these ones!
That might not be our finale.
Holy crap!
Follow the light. That's
I
small.
thought that was a bomb.
You know there's a bomb?
The bomb. They got a firework bomb. It's a
No, I
big.
got the dad was right now.
Yeah, that sizzling one. I love that sizzling one. Ooh, hee-ha. I can turn red to purple. Something. Whoa. That was loud. Man.
Sure echoes here.
It does. No.
Oh, your face.
Oh my god! You're so dead. Your face. He's a face.
It's our fire.
Oh, they're gonna just stop right when you say that. Really, don't say anything.
Well, you're a dead star of fire, but...
Yeah, but I was running. One time I was running away when I was a little kid. I was running away, and apparently a fireman got caught on fire, and I walked away just like this. Did that? I'm like, crap. What the fuck was that?
Is this in your dreams?
No, I was when I was a little kid. Okay. Whoa. Never mind. I thought that was stupid.
World War III.
Oh my god! What the heck? Whoa.
That was totally cool.
Shit, some freaking thunder.
I wish one would go haywire and come here and hit you on the head.
Oh, you in the head. What the fuck? Poor Bucky died.
We're having fireworks to celebrate his death.
Yeah, we're celebrating his death by fireworks. He's a good dog.
I thought Bucky was a beaver.
Bucky was a dog. We had Bucky the beaver. Yeah. Ooh, I like those things.
Oh, they make noise.
Yeah, man, they made weird noise. Ooh.
Whoa.
That was cool.
That was way up
Oh,
there.
crap.
Whoa.
It wasn't very big though.
That was almost like a square.
Where'd it go? The shot went off. Where did it?
No, I think it was a camera flash up there by the houses.
Oh, okay.
Can't see that.
Woo! I love those. Yeah, they do. Last year it was just 5 minutes worth.
It's already been 5 minutes.
Exactly. Smart. Last time I literally had 5 minutes worth. And that was it. So, well, that was like Christmas time, wasn't
I
it?
had one that was half an hour for Halloween or something.
Yeah, that was awesome.
How do I remember that?
I have no idea.
Oh yeah, I
don't-
touched my ankle.
Holy-
Not my ankle, my knee.
Right.
Yeah, touching-
Ooh, bright. Whoa.
That was cool.
That was. I like that one. Just the shape of it, kind of. It's like weed.
You say weed.
Yes.
I didn't know that was weed.
I know.
Daughter is sick with
Yes, I am.
Do I have to arrest her?
No, it's
Yeah.
okay. I don't have any on
She's
me right
old
now.
enough now to take her to juke.
I don't have any on me yet.
You can't spank
I
her.
don't have any yet.
Who cares? You're going to juvie now. So you don't do it.
Oh my god.
Bit.
That was not a fire. That was not a firework.
That was a total firecracker.
What the heck? That was like sideways. I like those ones kind of. They're like circles. It was the only
Heart
shape.
almost.
Whoa. Holy crepes. Yeah, that would be. Really? Oh, never mind. Ooh, green one.
Big sounding one.
Whoa. Same. Whoa.
That was loud.
That was huge. Huge and loud. Wow. Looks like a thunder. Whoa. Boogie ball. If the jump was right, then yes. Okay.
That is nice.
Yeah, that is. Oh my god, I can't. Ooh, ah. The heck, this is just
She's
one.
making more kids over there.
Yeah, she is. By yourself. Totally. Totally. Ooh.
That was nice.
Finally, she sees her.
Those are so cool. I love them. Come on, do something fantastic for this year's ending. Not this. This better not be it. What the heck was that about? Just out of the blue.
Yeah,
That's all like, holy crap.
Didn't your parents teach you to be nice?
Ever. Remember talking when we were outside? Some random kid's like, I trapped it!
I know. That was hilarious.
Okay.
Fire.
Fire! Uh-oh. Whoa.
I lit up the whole ground.
Shook the ground.
I was looking at the ground. I was like, I don't know. I can see them standing.
I know.
And you, like,
Yeah. Yeah, you can, but I don't want to look at them.
well,
I'm
you
Whoa.
just
Holy crap, that was small but bright and freaking out.
Yeah. Remember that firecracker that blew up in my face at Dad?
That was funny. That was hilarious.
I go,
That was hilarious. You go up there and
you guys couldn't see me. There was so much smoke.
I know, I'm right for you too. All of a sudden, like, ooh, that's spicy. Ooh, ah,
You want to check too or something?
Ooh, yum.
Oh my god.
I said yum.
I hear those sounds, thank you.
I said yum by accident. Ooh, it's spicy. Ooh, I like the moves. Whoa! That was huge.
At least this is going off for a while.
Yeah,
Almost 10 minutes.
that's cool. I like watching fireflies. Is it fireflies?
Yeah, that
Let's go to see those hearts, those purple ones, eh?